Two nutrient boosters, dry fruit powder and nuts and seeds powder, are the best sellers at Tots and Moms and generally added in porridges to increase the nutrition value of baby's food. But for older children like mine who are 3 and 8, I was thinking what can be done. So this day I had paneer at home and some chapati dough. So I crumbled paneer, added 2-3 spoons of nuts and seeds powder, then chili flakes, mixed herbs and little salt, and prepared a filling. Now the dough was also ready and I quickly filled in this mixture into the dough and made soft parathas with ghee and cut them up and put in their snack box. My daughter loved it and she came back home and asked for it more. So do give it a try. These two products are available at Tots and Mom store. You can purchase it from there. And yes, do comment and tell me if you're really loving my recipes because I put in a lot of effort in making these early in the morning. Hope you can imagine cooking and shooting.